see how research and planning can help you find those valuable coins and relics, increase your metal detecting pleasure. What you want to find is the older coins and historical items. One of the simplest things you can do is just look at old maps. What I started with is a 1965 Sacramento map. You can get it for a few dollars on the internet, and it marks all the schools and parks in red and makes choosing a place to go much easier. You can use older maps, again from the internet. This is one of Sacramento. It shows the parks, and what I do is highlight the parks in pink and then transfer the same information over to a modern map, and you can see which are the oldest parks in the Sacramento area. This is a modern map, and here are the parks in pink. And here's the original 1899 map again. So, and you can find other really old maps on the internet as well. I live in Folsom, so I wanted to check out that. There's again quite a few maps available online. One of the best sources were what they call topo maps from the U.S. Geological Service. Go online and look up USGS. This is a 1941 map, and this is another one, 1967. You can see Folsom was a pretty small town, a lot of dredgings that shows the schools, and again I marked them in a different color. Here's the modern map of Folsom, and again what I'll do is mark those schools. If you want to find the topo maps, you can download some of them from USGS. Go to Topo Maps, go to the store. You can order these things online and just download them. You won't have to purchase them. Although sometimes the purchased ones are a little clearer, then you can see them better than the online version. So here's the Folsom Schools, and the second one from the left there. I'm going to go down there. I'm also going to check out the Historical Society in Folsom. They have maps and aerial photos. Here you can see the school at the center left there with the athletic track. Another aerial view of the athletic track is in the upper right for the school. So you can find a lot of information that way. What I'll do is take that picture of the map, mark the main streets and the high school, and then go check it out. So I drive down to the high school. Here's a view of the athletic field. I'll go check it out before I actually do the metal detecting. This is the front entrance. You can see young trees, so that's not a good area to detect in. Here's the older part, the racetrack. And some trees that were cut down, look like they're 50, 60-year-old trees, so that's a good area to detect in. Here's an old ball field. Again, it looks like not a lot of landscaping. This is an old fence, and I found a lot of 40s and 50s coins along that fence. This is the main entrance to the school from the parking lot. Thousands of students go through there. Again, a good spot. An older section. Again, you can see the field is ripe for detecting. Looks like there were some buildings here that were torn down. Again, it might be a good spot. This is the more modern section. Again, notice the young trees. Here's a construction area by the ball field. Again, I'll look at that. I checked it out. It looks like there was an old swimming pool there. I don't know if it's indoor or outdoor. Another construction area. So these are all good places to go detecting. Here's a great find. It's bleachers for the ball field, and looks like they're taking some of it apart. You can search under there. Again, the idea is to find the older coins, the 50s and 60s one. It's good to join a group too. You find a lot of tips and advice from older searchers, so join a club. Again, do some research at the Historical Society or your library. In Folsom, they have a whole section on California and local gold mining and historical events. Here's some excellent books. There's things on geology and ghost towns and the old trails. You can find fantastic maps of the old trails. Some relics from gold mining areas and pioneers coming across the Sierra Nevada looking for ways to California. So do some research. It'll increase your results fantastically. Good luck.